Add a device to use it with Wi-Fi calling. Check that the device that you want to add has the latest version of software. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Phone Wi-Fi Calling. Turn on Add Wi-Fi Calling for other devices. Go back to the previous screen, then tap Calls on other devices. Turn on Allow Calls on other devices if it's not on. A list of your eligible devices appears under Allow Calls On. Turn on each device that you want to use with Wi-Fi calling. Next, make sure that your other devices will accept calls from your iPhone. On your iPad, go to Settings, FaceTime. Then turn on Calls from iPhone. On your Mac, open the FaceTime app and choose FaceTime Preferences. Then turn on Calls from iPhone. Wi-Fi calling is enabled automatically for Apple Watch when you turn on Allow Calls on other devices.
Remove a device. If you don't want to use Wi-Fi calling from one of your devices, on your iPhone, go to Settings, Phone Calls on other devices. In the list of devices, turn off Wi-Fi calling for the device that you want to remove.
I hope this has fixed the issue. Leave a like and subscribe. Comment below on what issues I should make next.